Hello and welcome my friend, here is the car doctor Peter Finn. And next my friend, I am planning to give you really interesting information that what is wrong in my car's suspension if I can hear some metallic sound when I am driving and I feel that this sound came from this front area, like in my case this right side front area. And now I have already take away this wheel and tire, and next I will show you that what part makes this bad metallic sound. It is like bad suspension sound, and how I can check it. And next I have to lift up this my car body up, and let's go to look at how I have made that. And then when we lift up this car body, we can use that hydraulic jack, and then remember to always insert in here some wooden lock, or in here wooden lock, because this metallic jack, they collapse and actually they might have hydraulic leak, and then it is really bad if my car's or truck's body collapse against to like my hands or feet in here. That's always install steel jack or then this jack stand or wooden lock. Good. Okay, and then we go to check these suspension parts, and next I will show the idea that how to check and control these parts. Okay, and then when we start to move these parts, it is good to take these leather gloves, because these protect our skin, because we have to keep clean hands, and that's I recommend these leather heavy duty gloves. And then we start to move, and first part of this suspension research is that I have to install my ignition key in position and turn ignition key to on, because I have to rotate this my steering wheel in that way. And then when I move that this brake disc in that position, firstly I need to check this brake disc, and now there happened that this my finger goes in that tight part, but this glove protects my finger. And firstly I rotate that my brake disc, and now I can hear a little bit sound, but this is not bad, it is brake pad sound. But then I have to look these my strut and these control arms, and let's go to look that when I check this part in here. Okay, and this is like big control arm, and when I am checking that, I have to take my hands in here and very hard way rotate this way, move in this direction, that way, and then also in here, but I can't feel in here anything. This is okay. And then the second tie rod end. An idea is to rotate this and move, and then move in this direction and in that direction. And if we can hear any sound, it is the signal and proof that this part is bad. But this is good. And then I rotate this my brake disc in here, and there is one control arm in here. And let's go to look that one, because this is loosened. Very interesting. Now I rotate it in this direction. Yes, this keeps sound. And let's go to look closer. Okay, and now this issue is this anti-stabilizer link, and look, when I move that, we can hear something. It keeps sound. Here. And I can feel that there is a small tolerance, and this area in here down, that is bad. And I have to, and this is very easy to rotate. This is also sign. Excellent. And this arm is in here, and look, it keeps sound. Not now. Yes, this is bad. Okay, excellent. Then I move that in here. And it is just in that position. Let's look also in here. Okay, in that position we can see also this well. Okay, this is this bad part, what I need to replace. Okay, that kind of information, my friend, and thumbs up, and see you in next movie.